Hi guys, it's me, Wild Rice 5. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I filmed. I have moved to a apartment and so today I'm eating leftovers from Christmas. I'm having a noodle salad. See? Oh my gosh, the noodle. And yeah. How have you guys doing? Are you guys on Christmas break? How's your holidays been? I'm so hungry. I'm gonna film this and then I'm gonna try and do some after Christmas shopping. I did not get a chance to do Christmas shopping as much as I would like. I didn't do Black Friday shopping, which sucks. But I've come to a point where I am kind of tired of shopping. I love shopping. I just don't want to accumulate more stuff, you know? So I'm having a noodle salad. This is like pork and shrimp ground up and deep fried. I worked like so much up until the holidays. I only had Christmas Eve off, but I worked 2 days prior to that. And it's so hard to shop for everybody these days. It's just getting expensive. Everybody wants a smartphone, everybody wants technology. Like, you can't be thoughtful anymore. And by the way guys, I got this at Forever 21 like 2 days before Christmas Eve. I have my hair, but it's a reindeer. Isn't it so cute? And I have been walking around in the apartment in this because it just keeps me warm. It's so warm, and it's been negative. Well, it's been like 1 or 3 degrees outside, so freaking cold. I'm going in public with this, and you know, my coat covers this white part, so nobody really knows it's a onesie because my coat goes down to my thigh. So I mean, it looks like basically pink sweatpants. So yeah, I really like this, really cute. You guys should go get one. There's like a unicorn, there's a penguin, and a brown or gray reindeer, and a white unicorn. So you guys should consider getting one because it's really warm. Let me start this off. I need to get my glasses readjusted. Anyways, I didn't have time on Christmas Eve. My family celebrates Christmas on Christmas Eve. And usually we go to Mass. We get dressed up and go to Mass. And I was greedy and decided to work 16 hours the day before. So I didn't get off work until like 12 p.m. And I came back to the apartment, I had to clean up, and I was so tired. Like, I ate breakfast and I wanted to pass out after eating breakfast. But I had to like do a little cleanup and sort the little presents that I had. I didn't get to buy presents for all of my nieces and nephews So I feel guilty about that. But then again, kids these days, they're so spoiled. They have everything, all the toys, all the electronics they need. It's like, what else can I buy for them? Like just junk. It just becomes unappreciated anyways. So I like passed out on the couch for like 1 hour, then I showered and went to church. I was not in a good mood because usually I like to dress up for Christmas church and do full face makeup, but I only had time to shower, brush my hair, put on some nice clothes, and out the door I go. And then after I came home from church, I had 1 hour to like wrap the Christmas gifts, and then picked up my boyfriend and his family from the airport because they went skiing for their Christmas, and showed up at my family's house like 2 hours late. They started eating. My family, we had like a onesie themed Christmas party. So my parents were like Santa Claus, Mr. and Mrs. Claus, and everybody else was like something else. One was a Grinch. One family was the gingerbread family, Elves family, and Rudolph family. I was just a pink reindeer, and my boyfriend, he was a Coca-Cola polar bear, which is pretty cute. So and we had this guy, he's not Catholic, or he doesn't really celebrate Christmas. He don't have children, so he came to my family's Christmas party and celebrated and ate, and he was basically our photographer, because he went around and took everybody's pictures and took our family picture. So I'm gonna include that there. So tell me about your Christmas. What did you guys do? Did you have a good time? Did you get what you wanted? Last year, my younger sister, she spoiled me. She got me a professional camera that I haven't used much, because I always wanted to do like YouTube and Instagram, so she bought that for me. I haven't really been using it much. I need to start using it more. This year I only got one thing. I asked for like a selfie ring light, but I have an iPhone 5 and I got a selfie ring light for iPhone 6, so I guess I need to upgrade. What I want for Christmas is actually more time to, get things done. But it's over now, so I just feel like Christmas every year it gets more stressful and stressful. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just bad. Like I should start shopping earlier. But I always feel like every year it just sneaks up on me and I'm never ready, and I get more anxious and more anxious the closer Christmas comes. And this year it made me thought like, that's not what Christmas should feel like. We shouldn't have to feel like stressed and anxious because it's a holiday. I mean, that's not why we have Christmas. But it seems everything is so commercialized and everything is so focused on consumerism and buying stuff. it just makes you feel more anxious. I mean, for some of you who are teenagers who doesn't work and doesn't have that feeling that you need to buy a present, Christmas is a fun time because you're receiving. But as you become an adult, it's just more stressful trying to fit in time for both families if you have a significant others trying to celebrate Christmas with both a family. And sometimes both families celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, so that makes it more difficult, you know? I don't know, it's just, I didn't feel good. I mean, I didn't sleep that day. I didn't get all the Christmas presents I wanted to get. I didn't get to look good for Christmas Eve Mass. I mean, I'm clean, I look decent, but I just wish I had more time to get things done. So, I have been moving in the month of December and unpacking. And in this process of unpacking, I just realized I have too much stuff. You know, trying to figure out how to put all my clothes into the closet and not make it look messy. I want my closet to look organized and trying to figure out how to put all my shoes in the closet without buying a shoe rack, because then there'd be no more space in the closet for my clothes. So I've just been unpacking, trying to figure things out. This is so good. I've been wanting to film for a while, but I wanted to get like all my stuff moved in and settled before I can get my mind to calm down and film for you guys. I really wanted to film like, I have filmed several makeup tutorials, but it just did not turn out pretty, so I haven't posted them. And I really wanted to film like a holiday Christmas look, but I haven't got a chance to go around and sit down and do that. I mean, I wasn't even gonna film this mukbang, but I figured, you know, I have this moment to sit down to eat, then I can just film a mukbang. So I guess next I want to do is like film like a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I've always wanted to do like some type of significant makeup tutorial. I definitely want to film like my sister's wedding makeup tutorial. Some of my nieces, they volunteer. They're willing to be like my canvas for makeup tutorial. I'm eating leftover dessert. It's basically coconut milk, some beans, and tapioca, and mung bean, and it's sweet. It's like a soup. It's really good. I'm so tired of pushing these glasses up. So, are you guys having any plans for New Year's Eve? I have New Year's Eve off, but I'm gonna work New Year's Day. But I got to a point where I'm not going out for New Year's Eve anymore. It's just expensive to go out and pay the fee to get in. Yeah, I might be cheap on that, but it's like you pay more money to go out. It's very crowded. It's super cold. It's always like -2, -7 degrees on New Year's Eve. So I don't want to wear a dress to go out in -2 degrees. I mean, I can't believe there's girls out there that just doesn't wear a coat and they just wear skimpy outfits and go out in -2 degrees weather. I mean, more power to them that they can do that, but why suffer? Why be cold just to look good and, you know, risk yourself getting hypothermia? So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go home and eat with my mom and basically just stay in with the movie or something on New Year's Eve or play games. I don't know, but what do you guys have plans for New Year's Eve? Share in the comments below. So until I see you next time, stay wild and sincere. Bye.